Hello children, I started the Asia lesson now. In the last class, we studied about the climatic conditions. Climatic conditions means that is latitudinal extent, physical features, monsoon winds, they are all influencing the climate. I explained all that one and types of climates also. Today I am taking natural vegetation. That means what type of crops, trees are growing in Asia, that one we are learning. Even vegetation also children depends on many things. It depends on the soil condition. Climate is the main thing which is influencing the vegetation. It depends on the climate only. So wherever it is cold, we can't see any trees there. In the desert place, if it is hot, no rain means there also you can't find any trees. Only cactus will grow. Like this, even climate and the surrounding physical features also influencing on the natural vegetation. That one we are learning. Overall, the Asia continent is vast and vast is, so its natural vegetations are divided into 7 parts. That one we are learning. Take this one, children. Yes, first one is tundra vegetation. Tundra means very much cold. Siberian plains and all is there, no children, that one. Very cold place it is. Ice will fall in that. Such a cold, -degree temperature will be there. Can you imagine any trees, forest in that? Even to grow the tree, sunlight is needed. Yes or no children? Photosynthesis. So, in the tundra vegetation, you will not find any trees. Only mosses, lichens will grow. Mosses means this pache children. Green tea will get, no? Always 2 days, 3 days, it is continuously raining means you get the green tea. That one. Then on the walls, on the rocks also, some small plants will grow, otherwise greenery will come. That is called lichens. That one only will get. Only in the summer time, small plants will grow. Small flowering plants in the grass will see much them. That one. They will not get any other vegetations in the tundra places. Where you will find this tundra vegetation? In the Asia, that is towards the Arctic coastal lines. In the top, Arctic Ocean is there, no? In that coastal area, you will find all this one. And snow and ice will fall in that area. Followed, this is about the tundra vegetation. Followed, next comes coniferous forest. Types of forest are there children. Coniferous forest, deciduous forest, evergreen forest, mixed forest. Followed children. See, coniferous forest means in the forest, cone-shaped trees you will find. Christmas tree, no? That one you will find. Christmas tree, cone-shaped, that one. Whole forest will be in the such type of trees only. And these are evergreen forest. Throughout the year, you will find the green forest only. Deciduous forest means that is different children. In the autumn, in the winter, leaves will shed down. Only stem and bark you will see. That is called deciduous forest. Okay, this coniferous forests are available in Asia. And they are, what type of trees this coniferous forest is having means softwood trees, not hardwood, softwood trees we are having. Trees named for fine larch. These are the trees named which we will find in the coniferous forest. Next comes temperate grasslands. They are also called as a steppes. Steppes. That means the height of the grass will be very small children. How in Denmark and all, heighted grass you can find in the grassland. But here, temperate grassland. That means only in the rainy season you will find the grass in that grassland. And in the summer season it will be dry land. Grass height will be very small one. So they are called as a steppes. Followed children? Yes. Next comes This steppe grasslands you will find in the West Central Asia. West Central Asia. There you will find the temperate grasslands. Next comes desert vegetation. In the desert means what children, it is sandy land will be there, no rainfall and very high temperature will be there. Only in the evening time, night time it will be cold. To grow the crop, fertile soil is needed. But desert means it is a sandy soil. In that, what type of vegetation we get? Only cactus will grow, children. Cactus, palm tree, date tree. Only this much you get. That also over near the oasis, where the water sources will be there, no, in the desert. There you find this number of varieties of cactus and palm date trees. Okay. Yes. Where the deserts are there? In Arabia. Arabia country desert only, children. Arabia, Iran, all this one. And Thar desert is there in India. Gobi desert is there in China. Here all you get the desert vegetation. Some thorny bushes also you can find that. Next comes monsoon forest. Monsoon forest, children, they are deciduous forests. That means in the rainy season you will find the green thick forest. But in the autumn, winter season, that time leaves, the trees leaves will be shut down. They will start shedding the leaves. Only bark and stem will see. Here nearby the school also you can see, children. Nearby your house also. Some trees in the winter season, in the month of December, January, you are observing means you can see only the stem and the bark of the tree. You will not find single leaf in that. Is it that? Yes, no? Whole forest will be like that trees only. That is called deciduous forest or monsoon forest. See, children, these all basic geography words. You must remember all this one. Tundra vegetation, coniferous forest, deciduous forest, desert vegetation, monsoon forest. These are all new words to you. You must know the meaning. Remember the meaning of all this one. Okay. In the monsoon forest, trees will be long one, children. Long, tall one and thick one, and sufficient rainfall will be there. In the rainy season, here in this area, sufficient rainfall will be there. Here you will find the hardwood trees. Hardwood trees with a big stem. Tree will also be long one. That trees are used for making the furnitures. What type of that trees? Teak. Your furniture in your house, furniture and all is made by the teak only, children. Rosewood or teak. Yes. Then sal, banyan, bamboo, sandal. Like these trees are you are finding in the monsoon forest. They are also called as the deciduous forest. Followed? Next, equatorial forest. This monsoon forest are you will find in the South Asia, Southeast Asia. In these places you will get. Then equatorial forest you will find, children, mahogany, ebony, rubber, bamboo, rosewood. This type of trees you will get in the equatorial forest. These equatorial forests are evergreen forests. How the coniferous forests are evergreen, no? Like that only these are. How it will be? You will find this equatorial forest where the equator is passing. How the climate in that equatorial place? Daytime it is very heat. Heavy temperature will be there because sunlight will be directly falling on the equatorial place. Evening time it will start raining. Such type of in such place you will find the equatorial forest. Very thick and evergreen forest you will find. Follow, children. Every day it will rain. In that these trees only will get thick and tall trees. Mahogany and all it is used. Bamboo. Mahogany, rosewood, they are using for the furniture and house doors and windows, children. Yes. Next comes Mediterranean vegetation. Mediterranean vegetation means how it is done. it will be hot. Summers are long in that area. It will be hot. Rainfall is very less. But winters are cool. In the winter season, weather condition will be cool. Rainfall will be less. Almost it is hot place only. How it is? For example, Bagalkot, Bijapur only take children. They are having the Mediterranean climate. Bijapur, Raichur, Gulbarga and all are taking it, they are very hot children. Rainfall is very less. But comparing to in the winter season, comparing to our coldness, they are very cold. That is called Mediterranean climate. In that, fruit trees are growing children. Grapes, pomegranate, these are all famous in Bijapur. Do you know? Yes, that is because of Mediterranean climate only. Followed? Yes. In the overall Asia, they given the trees, what type of trees are growing in the Mediterranean vegetation. That is olive, figs, oak, all this one. They are also sour only children. The tree fruits which are sour means vitamin C will be rich in that fruits. That type of trees will grow in the Mediterranean vegetation. Where you will find this vegetation means Southwest Asia. In the Southwest Asia, you will find the Mediterranean vegetation. Follow children? Yes, take this point. Yes, now I am taking the important minerals children. These minerals are essential for the development of industries. Industries are there means development is there. So, it shows the richness of the Asia. These many are available children, which are available in abundance, that is given here. See, iron ore. Iron ore means it is a raw steel, you can say children, it is available in the earth. That one they will process, then they will make the steel, stainless steel and all they will make it. It is most essential for all the industries. Without steel, we can't imagine about any machine or any factories. So basic is the iron ore. Yes, this is, see children, in the Asia, 33% of the total world iron ore reservation is available in Asia. Whatever world is having no iron ore, in that 33% is in Asia only. That much we are having the iron ore reservations. In that, China is the leading producer. More iron ore is available in China. Then next one is manganese. This is also one of the mineral which it is essential to make the good quality steel. Manganese is essential to make the good quality steel. So that is also one of the essential mineral. It is again China only the leading producer of the manganese. Then bauxite. This is also essential for the industries. This bauxite children, it is main source for the aluminium and non-ferrous metals. For preparing the aluminium and the non-ferrous metals, they are using the bauxite. Then these are available in the Kyrgyzstan and Central Siberia. In the Central Siberia and in the Kyrgyzstan, this bauxite reserves are available. Then coal. These all things are available in the earth children except this coal. Coal is not available under the earth. It is man-made. How they are making? They are cutting the trees. They are burning it without supplying the oxygen. When you are burning anything without supplying the oxygen means it will not become ash. It will burn, but it will not become ash. So it will become blackish. Then they will cut that log into pieces that we are calling as a coal. It is very essential for energy. When many factories to produce the heat, to run the machine, they are using the coal. Yes, no, for cooking purpose also coal is used. Okay, yes, that one. It is made by the wood. In that, China is the largest and the India is the second largest in preparing the coal. Followed. Next comes petroleum. You know children, petroleum means how essential it is. Every vehicle is run by the petroleum. What it is, this petrol, it is available in the ocean children. They are taking in the ocean deep, you will find the one oil. That oil called as a crude oil. It is like very thick black oil it is. Crude oil it is called. They are taking to the oil refineries, that crude oil, they start filtering it. So many products will come by that crude oil. First quality is petrol. Second one diesel. Like this many things they are preparing, and the last one is the kerosene. Then whatever the dust parts, what it is remaining blackish, at the end, that is grease. So this first quality petrol is used in the many things children, in the cosmetics, Vaseline. So any skin creams are there, means in that also they are using the first quality petrol. For children, so many things are prepared by that crude oil, and petrol is without petrol no vehicles are running. You know all this one. Most essential one it is petroleum. That is available in the Arab countries children. Arab countries are Saudi Arabia. They are having the petrol wells only children. Deserts there. They are not doing any agriculture, but they are having the petroleum wells. That petrol they are exporting to other countries, and they are taking the food products from the other countries. Followed? Yes. Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, and United Arab Emirates. UAE it is called. United Arab Emirates. These all countries are rich in the petroleum reserves. This is about the minerals of the Asia. I hope you understood all this one children. Okay, enough for today. Tomorrow in the next class I am taking the major industrial reserves, population of the Asia. Okay, take this point children. All minerals name it and give the homework. Mention the divisions of natural precipitation of Asia. 7 I wrote no children. That one you have to write. Then what are coniferous forests? I explained now only that one. That you write. Name the trees growing in equatorial forest. Only trees you have to write this. Then name the important minerals of the Asia. Important minerals I wrote all the minerals name you have to write it. Okay? Yes. Do this so much.